It has been a fantastic experience for the Israeli pilots, including myself, to fly over this beautiful country, side by side with a Croatian pilot. Tomorrow, I will have the privilege to fly with Colonel Christian on a MiG-21. I am thrilled for this opportunity and looking forward for the rest of our visit to Croatia, including seeing our aircraft flying together with the MiG-21 over the historical fortress of Knin. Thank you, Prime Minister Plenković, for your warm hospitality, and congratulations on your national holiday. Let me just try to say something in your language. Hvala vam na poziva u ime delegacija i pilota. Poštujemo našim prisustvom vašo domovino. Thank you.